Network Entertainment.
Na-experience mo na ba to that you're doing so much but you feel that you are left behind? Yung parang kada galaw mo kailangan may paliwanag, kada pili mo, dapat parang kada desisyon mo sa buhay parang nagdududa ka. If I just describe your situation right now at kausap kita one-on-one ngayon, I'd probably ask you this question quietly. Are you trying to prove yourself to other people? Are you trying to prove yourself to people? Or are you confident of who you are today? Let's talk about it.
Hi, I'm Chingitan and you're listening to Chink Positive Podcast, where I aim to equip you to become wealthy and debt-free, teaching you on how to save, budget, get out of debt, and invest. Let's get into the episode.
Hi there, this is Chingitan, your pambansang wealth coach. Welcome to the Chink Positive Podcast. Thank you for making this podcast on the top 50 here in the Philippines. And let's talk about yung trying to prove something to someone. Ito yung na-notice ko, no? Bakit kaya ganito, no? Bakit di ka nagde-decide? Di ba? Parati mo gina-justify yung sarili mo. Di ba? Parati mong piniplay sa utak mo na kailangan I need to ask permission from people. I need to get their opinion. I need to get their approval before I do anything. And the weird part, wala naman nagtatanong. And I want you to answer this question honestly. When was the last time you made a decision that you don't need to explain yourself to others? And here's what I've seen. People who are still trying to prove themselves, they move fast, but they are tense. Laging may urgency, laging may audience. Yung parang laging kailangan may approval, laging kailangan may audience kahit wala naman. Pero when someone starts deciding with that type of a mindset, alam mo yung nangyari? Bumabagal sila. Diba? Nagiging less confident sila. Parang naghihingi parati sila ng approval ng ibang tao. Pero para sa mga tao naman na talagang confident, wala silang pake, di ba? They don't ask permission. No, they just do it because they know that they know that what they're doing is right. Because they know themselves. And this is the quiet truth. The moment you stop proving and start deciding, your life gets better. Your life gets more peaceful. Less noise, walang second guessing, hindi mo iniisip kung ano sabihin ng ibang tao, you're just honest with yourself, you don't hesitate, at the same time, you don't have to prove anything to anyone. So if you want that to happen to you, here's the shift. Deciding doesn't mean to say that you're sure. It means to say that you don't need the approval of others. It's saying, hindi ko pa alam ang lahat, pero sapat na to, alam ko at gagawin ko para ako ay mag-move on. Hindi naman sa nagiging selfish ka. Nagiging solid ka lang sa belief mo. At oo, maraming tao probably may not understand you. No, wait, nagbago ka na. Pero always remember, you do not try to live your life in order for you to please others. You try to live your life to please, number one, God. Number two, yourself. So try this. Next time you feel the urge that you need to over-explain, kailangan mo pang magpaliwanag, kailangan mo pang mag-small talk, wag na. One sentence is enough. Minsan, silence pa nga eh. Hindi mo kailangan i-announce yung growth mo. Hindi mo kailangan i-announce yung progress mo. Hindi mo kailangan pagmalaki kung ano na na-achieve mo. Kung alam mo yung decision mo ay makakabuti sa'yo, okay na yun. At the same time, you don't need to prove that you're ready. Kung handa ka na, gawin mo. Nagigets mo? Come on. Stop proving yourself to other people. Stop over-explaining. Now, let us think, reflect, and apply. What decisions you made in the past that you feel that you just need to keep justifying? Meron ba? And then how does it affect you as a person because of the justification? If you like this episode, please save this episode for the moment. And if you feel the urge to listen to this again, please do so. Kaya don't forget also to subscribe and follow. As I always say, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always. Think positive.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.